Stop settling for average, meet the fine X8s. The pint-sized powerhouse that rewrites what a one-hand phone can be. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the hottest tech drops of the season. Now, let's get started. First off, size matters until you see the X8s. At just 6.3 inches and 179 grams, it disappears in your hand. It's small enough for anyone to master one-handed control, yet built to wow anyone who craves premium feel. The straight screen display has razor-thin 1.5mm bezels, narrower than almost any rival. Whether you're viewing videos or gaming, every pixel pops against a border you'll forget is there. Flip it over, and you'll find Oppo's signature tiny circular camera island, sleek, harmonious, and a perfect match for any outfit. Available in playful pastels or classic monochrome, the X8s doubles as a fashion accessory. No chunky lenses protruding, just a flush, elegant module that blends art and engineering. Ergonomics are next level. Feel your thumb naturally rest on the programmable shortcut button. One long press summons your camera. Another triggers a voice memo, flashlight, or do not disturb mode. Snap a quick photo, capture lecture notes, or dictate a to-do list all without shifting your grip. It's a feature you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Speaking of notes, Oppo's built-in smart screenshot tool reads your screen, auto-extracts text and images, and organizes them into neat categories: articles, receipts, screenshots, you name it. Perfect for busy students juggling class schedules and project deadlines. Onto cameras. The 50-megapixel front sensor not only captures crystal-clear selfies, it supports autofocus and programmable ring fill light modes for flawless group shots. In portrait mode, bokeh is smooth and convincing. Skin tones are natural, never over-smoothed. Trial Samsung style. Live photos? The X8s shoots 6-shot film-style burst you can instantly share on social feeds. Flip back to the rear, and you've got Oppo's Hasselblad partnership in your pocket. The 50-megapixel main camera delivers punchy colors and superb dynamic range, straight out of the lens. Master mode unlocks filmic looks. Set your own color temperature, ISO, and shutter speed to craft Ricoh-style grain or Leica-inspired tonal depth. Macro shots on the 1:MP ultra-wide macro lens capture dewdrops and mind-bending detail. And when you need reach, the 3.5x optical telephoto keeps shots sharp. Even at a distance, no wobble, no blur. Low light. The X8s excels. Night mode brightens shadows without blowing out highlights. Party lighting, portraits stay vivid. And when daylight breaks, every detail is crisp and contrasty, ready for your campus photo dump. Powering this compact marvel is the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 for 100+ chipset true flagship silicon on a tiny platform. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM, your frame rate stays rock solid for an hour of nonstop gaming. PUBG, Genshin, or whatever you're into, the X8s keeps you locked in. And that generous 5,700 mAh battery refuses to quit before you do. Even on days packed with lectures, study sessions, and late-night streams, you'll still have juice to spare. Quick charge it up to 50% in half an hour. Then get back to campus life without missing a beat. The ColorOS 14 interface is smooth as silk, the animations, the transitions, the fluid cloud home screen effects. And Oppo didn't stop there. Tiny Easter eggs like the shortcut camera reveal or status bar brightness shift add delightful flair. It's the kind of polish you don't notice until you can't live without it. Protection. X8s steps up with scratch-resistant glass and a water-resistant frame. While there's no full IP certification, the reinforced build feels sturdy in day-to-day use. It's light, but it's no glass slipper. Audio lovers, rejoice. Dual stereo speakers pump out rich, balanced sound, ideal for study playlist or movie nights. Plug in via USB-C for wired audio, or pair high-res Bluetooth headphones for lossless wireless tunes. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2, so you get the fastest downloads and seamless file transfers. And yes, there's still a headphone jack emulator dongle in the box if you need it. Here's the bottom line. The Oppo Find X8s is proof that greatness comes in small packages. It delivers flagship-level camera quality, performance, design, and battery life without the flagship price tag. On a budget, but craving style and power, the X8s is your secret weapon. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, drop a comment on your favorite feature, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Until next time, stay stylish, stay smart, and keep exploring.